Peppa's Big Muddy Puddle Adventure. It was a rainy afternoon, and Peppa was looking out the window. Peppa, it's the perfect weather for muddy puddles. Mommy Pig gave Peppa and George their raincoats and boots. All right, little explorers, she smiled. Don't forget to stay safe and have fun. Peppa and George ran outside, giggling. The puddles were huge today. George, dinosaur muddy puddle. Peppa saw one puddle that sparkled like it had glitter in it. She jumped in and splash. Suddenly, the puddle made a magical whoosh sound. Peppa and George were transported to a land made entirely of mud and chocolate. They met Mud Muffin, a friendly mud creature who invited them on an adventure to find the Golden Puddle, which gives the biggest splash in the world. They slid through chocolate rivers, bounced on mud marshmallows, and finally reached the Golden Puddle. Peppa, let's do the biggest splash ever. They held hands, jumped in together, and kabloosh, they flew back home, landing safely in their own garden. Peppa laughing, that was the best muddy puddle adventure ever. Mommy Pig handed them towels. Mommy Pig, looks like you two brought half the puddle home. Everyone laughed. Ha ha ha.